Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we will do a quick unboxing for this DJI Mavic Mini. Just arrived today. First of all, we need to thank you, John Kaki Malaysia, to reserve this 5 more combo for me to do a quick unboxing. So this is the box come with. Still not yet open, and I will open up now. Very excited actually, because we need to see how small for this DJI Mavic Mini. I saw a lot of YouTubers already have this drone, so now I also got this, and this is the box come with a 5 more combo. We take out all the boxes. So this is the 5 more combo. This is a propeller card. So this is 3x3. Then come with this user menu. So we will go through later for this user menu. I believe this is an adapter. Okay, this is an adapter. So the broadcast we put on the side first. Now we go to this box. Really excited. I want to see how small this mini. Very lightweight actually. Very small. So the box also comes with very nice. This is a case. Battery charging hub. So I will recommend you purchase this 5 more combo. So come with a 3 battery with a battery hub. This battery hub you can use as a power bank after you put in the battery. We go through later. So this is a remote control. So the remote control similar like Mavic A, the stick can put inside here. They do have a return home button, power on button, and then video record button, camera capture button, and this gimbal down. So the side is a micro USB connector, and bottom side now don't have this USB port. So if you want to mount bigger devices like an iPad 10-inch, so you have to use this OTG cable extend out. So we take out all first. So this case very nice actually, quite protection. Now we see inside this box. It comes with extra propellers with extra screw. Okay. So this is a extra joystick. In case you lost your joystick, so you still have one pair extra backup. This tools is for when you replace the propellers, you have to use these tools. So as usual, come with these 3 cable for your mobile device. One is iOS, one is micro USB, one is a USB Type-C connector cable. So this is a micro USB cable. This is micro USB cable as well. They come with 2 micro USB cable. So the 5 more combo is come with this all the accessory. We check on the battery. So the battery just put in and click on. Currently is no battery, you have to charge for first time. Yeah, definitely is empty. You need to charge before you use. and we look for this very light actually. So we remove this sticker first. So flipping same like a Mavic. Currently is without battery, so you have to open up this cover to put your battery in. Open up this, insert the battery, then close back. Here is the micro USB port and a SD card slot. You can direct charge your battery. If you only buy a standard version, come with a one battery, so you have to use this cable direct plug into your aircraft to charge the battery. If you buy 5 more combo, so you can use this battery hub to charging. Even though after you insert the battery also feel very lightweight. And then this is a gimbal, 3-axis gimbal. So we see after we insert the battery, what's the weight? 247 grams without memory card. So this is a extreme pull. $248. So without battery, is 148. So one battery is 99 grams. So with battery and memory card is 248 grams, 248 grams. Very lightweight. The brushless motor very small, smaller than Mavic A and Spark. So we will first do a fully charge the battery and then activate the device, then go for firmware update. After that we go for a test flight. So I will not go through the details for this spec, but this DJI is running a new DJI Fly App, and now available to download from a Google Play Store, also a Apple Store. Even though you can go to DJI.com under this Mavic Mini to download this app, and they will guide you how to use. So first time you need to connect and activate your aircraft, then do a firmware update first. They have no surrounding sensor, they only have a button sensor, and this tool also is not a sensor, this is only design like a Mavic, but you can see that shell very soft, and also only one line, so totally is empty, is no battery. So that's it for this quick unboxing video, and we will do a range test, also see how is the performance for this DJI Mavic Mini Fly performance. So don't forget, this is Wi-Fi version. So sometimes interference will cause the range. And also you need to see your country running on CE or FCC mode. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next upcoming video for range test.